Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're absolutely welcome. Or if it's your first time of ever coming across this channel, you're definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, yeah, welcome as well. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate every one of you. Thank you all so much. If you are new here, I'm just going to give you a little bit of gist. My name is Elizabeth, and on this channel we talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, and the type of interesting things actually. So if you'd be interested in any of those I mentioned, definitely make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't leave this page without subscribing. Like, don't click out of this video without subscribing. I will really appreciate that. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a particular hair I got on Amazon with you guys. I'll also be installing the hair in this video, so if you don't want to miss out on that, definitely keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the hair came like this. This is my first time of ever installing crochet on my own head. I have never done it before. It came like this. Can you all see that? And it came in it's 7 packs, Fox Goddess Locks, 7 packs, and it also came with this. This is not part of what I ordered. I ordered for just the hair, and it came with this, I think as a gift or something. But anyways, so there are individual packs like this, 7 packs in this whole one. I got mine in 20 inches, which is I think long enough for me. The quality of this hair is not bad for the price at all, trust me. Alright, I just went ahead to section my hair. I'm going to be putting it in cornrows. I actually recorded it, but I didn't like the outcome of the audio. That's why I'm doing a voiceover, and this is weird, kind of. Okay, so I'm putting my hair in cornrows now, and it's not that easy because it's like my first time of doing it properly. Every other time has been like just do it somehow, just to put my wig on, but I have to like, you know, do it better this time around, and that's just what I'm doing. So at this point, my hand was already aching me. I was just goofing around and, you know, just enjoying the moment actually. Yeah, so I'm just oiling my hair at this point. I already started putting the crochets in at this point. It's not as difficult as it seems, honestly. Just open the crochet pin and then put the hair, draw it out, then just interlock it that way. Then make sure you secure it by pulling it out perfectly when you're done. It's a very simple task, guys. A lot of people were asking me how I did this myself, but trust me, it was quite easy. And I was just watching a movie in between, so I wouldn't get bored of making the hair, honestly. And that was it.
Yay, I'm almost done with my hair. I think I have just like two rows left to complete the hair, and I'm super excited. I took it upon myself to do this.
Oh, finally, guys, I finished. I think I spent about an hour 30 minutes or so, but like I'm feeling myself, like my very first time. So dope. Eventually used like 5 packs and like 4 pieces from this one. So I used 5 packs and four pieces for a full head. And you guys, like, I'm loving this hair already. Okay, like it's so full and I love the length, everything about it. It's just so nice. So I'll just lay my edges and up. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. You guys, like literally feeling this hair right now. I love it. I'm glad I bought it, honestly, because that saved me money. I would have paid somebody maybe like 50 or 60 pounds to do this. So, and it costs me less than 30 pounds, to be honest. Like, cost me less than 21 pounds save, because what I only bought was the hair, and that's all. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.